Hey, happy Sunday, everybody. I hope everyone's having a great Sunday. The weather's getting cooler, and I like that. It was a little too humid here in New York, but starting to cool down. Now, today's topic I want to get on is seed size and planting depth, which it may seem pretty simple to most people, but I've learned that some of these seeds are very, very finicky. So, when it comes to seed sizes, we could just start off here with a large avocado seed. As you see, this one I just placed in water. It's already got a root coming out. Um, I've never tried to put an avocado seed directly into soil, but from what I've heard, usually the larger the seed is, the deeper you can plant them. So I would guess this one would be pretty safe to plant 3 inches, 3 to 2 inches under the soil, maybe even a little deeper since it's a pretty large seed. But I mean, you can start them off in water, so why would you plant them in soil unless you didn't really want to move the plant? Then you have things like right here. I got some pea seeds. Let me show you where that's from Park Seed. I get all my seeds pretty much from there. And pea seeds are another one that you can start with the paper towel method, or just put this pretty close to the top of the soil, probably like an inch deep. I would probably recommend an inch deep for most seeds like this size. Like corn can get a little larger than this, but these sprout pretty quickly and you don't have to plant them that deep. You can start a lot of these things off in paper towels, which I do highly recommend, because I've started certain things out in soil that just never really took off. And I'm just gonna show you some of the hard ones I've had. Now here's a pack of mint seeds. Now these things are tiny. I'm pretty close to the camera, okay? But they are, I couldn't, maybe I could fit something on like a toothpick, and that would be like one seed, like the end of a toothpick. These things, for me, were notoriously hard to get them going, okay? I don't even know how I got my other ones going. I know I put them on top of the soil. They're that tiny. They have to go pretty much on top of the soil, not really covered by much, and then be like in a humid area, kind of like what I did with these strawberry seeds, which were another pain in the butt to get them started. Strawberry from seed, at least for me, was very hard, but I got a couple of plants going there, and those seeds are bigger than the mint seeds, but they were just as hard to start off. They need like a high humid environment, and they take time. Even though they're small, you would think they'll go quick. They don't, sprout very quickly. But surprisingly, something like a large avocado, I think this took 2 weeks, 3 weeks to get root, which is great. Let me see. Let me show you these guys that I got when I worked over here in an internship. Now these are Canna Tropicana seeds. These are some beautiful plants when they grow. Okay, these seeds are black. They're cool. They're round. They're little spherical things. I've never tried to start them at home, but I probably should give them a try, just to see how nicely they grow. But I've seen them grow outside, and they're beautiful. But yeah, my recommendation for most seeds is paper towel method. It's gonna save you a lot of headaches. You won't have to worry about how deep you plant, your seeds, and you can see after a while how the seeds are going. So that's a great thing. If you can start them off in water like the avocado seed, and you definitely can keep up with it, see how it goes from day to day, week to week. That's awesome. What I like doing is planting things in like glass or clear plastic, so I can see in there and see if they're going well, if they even came out. Because potting in like terracotta pots or plastic pots, I mean, you can see from the top if you cover it with like saran wrap. because it's clear, but sometimes it gets so humid in there you have to like take it off. It gets annoying. So yeah, definitely paper towel method. And usually the larger the seed you have, the deeper you can plant it. But an inch, 2 inches, that's really all you have to go down. I mean, if you think out in nature, if an animal were to eat like a fruit and then dump it on the ground, these seeds might be covered with some debris, a little bit of soil after a while. And they just start off in nature pretty well. And a lot of stuff is like wind blown and they just land on top of like concrete or soil and they just start off pretty well. So seeds don't really even have to be that deep in the ground. Okay, so my recommendation: no more than 1 to 2 inches, or just do everything in a Ziploc bag with paper towels, and you'll be great. But anyway, guys, I want you to have a great Sunday. The weather up north here is starting to cool down. Autumn is coming, and some of my favorite times of year are coming: Thanksgiving, Halloween, and Christmas. So hopefully everything gets better from everything we've been going through. But everyone, please stay safe, and I'll see you next Sunday with another video. All right, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And always leave comments, or send me a message, or check out my Instagram and send me a message there to leave me any tips you might have, or any suggestions you might have, or anything you've done to start your seeds off. All right, take care.